What's good, Hood Rich fam? Hood Rich Credit tabbing in. Look, y'all, today is going to be a very quick but special video. I wanted to drop some quick little sauce before I head out. What I've been noticing is a lot of people have been settling for denials with these financial institutions, with credit unions and banks, when that shouldn't be the case. A lot of you guys do the credit stacking methods that I give you with all three bureaus, right? And you're leaving money on the table because let's say you stack 4 institutions with Experian, right? And then 2 deny you, but 2 approve you. The other 2 institutions, you just leave it at that. What you can do is you can find out the reconsideration line for each of those institutions, the ones that you got denied for. Get connected to the credit card application team. Once you get connected, tell them, hey, look, I noticed that I was denied for my recent application with you guys. I would like a more deeper review. If you guys need more information from me, sometimes they might ask for like the last 2 pay stubs. Sometimes it's something simple as verification issues, because a lot of you guys think that there's something wrong with y'all credit profile, but whole time they just couldn't verify your identity, and that's why you got an automatic denial. That's only for like credit card denials, but some of you guys are not satisfied with the credit limits that you guys get approved for. You can also too call the reconsideration line and tell them, hey, look, I noticed you guys gave me a credit limit that I'm not really used to. My credit profile meets the requirements. Is there any more information that you guys need from me? And typically when it comes to a credit limit, they ask for something like proof of income, the last 2 pay stubs, or sometimes even tax returns, whatever it is that they ask for to get you approved for a higher credit limit. But there's a big chance you'll get approved for it. And then something that I forgot to tell you guys, most of you guys apply with credit unions because obviously I recommend them because they're more lenient than sometimes major institutions. But the thing is, with credit unions, they check your secondary bureaus to get you approved for those type of credit cards. Something like Innovis, SageStream, ARS, LexisNexis, they check these secondary bureaus, and if you have them freeze, they can't identify you and they get you denied for those credit card approvals. Or sometimes something simple as membership. So I would recommend, before you apply for a credit card with a certain financial institution, unfreeze all your secondary bureaus. Now, if you're getting your credit cleaned up, sometimes a credit repair company, it's normal for them to freeze your secondary bureaus. That way the credit bureaus, when they try to verify the negatives that you have on your credit report, they can't verify. In that case, if you're getting your credit cleaned up, you don't need to be applying for any credit cards at the moment. You get what I'm saying? But other than that, man, that's all the sauce that I wanted to drop today. For the people that want to tap in with a mentorship class, that want to get these high limit approvals, for the people that got fucked up credit, they can't get approved for no credit cards, trying to get a home loan, trying to get a vehicle loan, whatever it is, tap in with the repair process. Or if you need to book a consultation call, whatever it is, man, links down below. Y'all tap in with me. Y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich way. Go on.